bitch is empty as fuck. Come to think of it, I don't think there's a... Bro, is there not a... There might have not been a parking garage here, bro. Yo, that Chase, that's a... Nah, that's low-key. I gotta go there. Let me get the fuck up out of here. Yo, I'm literally about to piss myself, bro. If I don't get to Wawa in like 3 minutes, bro, it's about to get wicked in here. Oh my God, it's coming out.